Hey there, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven from the Foodie series. Now, if you're anything like me, you love cooking up delicious meals for your family and friends. But sometimes you just don't have the time to spend hours in the kitchen. That's where the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven comes in. This amazing kitchen appliance is perfect for anyone who wants to cook up tasty, healthier meals in less time. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or just someone who loves good food, this Ninja air fryer and toaster oven is for you. Let me tell you about some of the incredible benefits and features of this appliance. With 10-in-1 functions, you can do so much more than just air frying and toasting. You can also bake, roast, broil, and dehydrate your favorite foods. Imagine being able to cook up a 5-pound chicken and a sheet pan of vegetables all at once. Talk about a time saver. The Ninja air fryer and toaster oven is a powerhouse. With its 1,800 watts of power, it cooks your food quickly and evenly, so you can enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time. And with its sleek stainless steel design, it looks great on any countertop. Now, let's talk about some real-life uses for this amazing appliance. Not only can you use it for everyday meals like chicken, veggies, and pizza, but you can also get creative with it. How about making some homemade jerky or dried fruit for a healthy snack? The possibilities are endless with the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven. If you're wondering how this appliance stacks up against the competition, let me tell you, it's a game changer. Its multiple functions and large capacity set it apart from other air fryers and toaster ovens on the market. Plus, it's from Ninja, a trusted brand known for its high-quality kitchen appliances. Before I wrap up, I want to share a few tips for using your Ninja air fryer and toaster oven. Make sure to preheat the oven for best results. And don't overcrowd the cooking surface for even cooking. And don't forget to clean it regularly to keep it running smoothly. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile, high-performance kitchen appliance that can help you cook up delicious meals in less time, the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven is the perfect choice for you. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your kitchen today with the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven from the Foodie series. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking!